What is up, guys? How you doing? How you doing, the YouTube? So we got this. We got the Ovonics. We got a we got a 2S in there, Ovonics, and we're gonna see what we get for a speed run here with the Droop screw. We have Droop screws in it. It's got a hobby wing. ESC in it. It's got the Castle. It's got a Castle. I gotta figure out a way to. I'm thinking about strapping it here somewhere. I gotta get by. I can strap it so it's not up here because there's not really much to tighten it up in there. It's too tight. So we got that. We're stopping it. We're reading it. So we got 1 mile. So we're gonna start it. See what we get with these, with 2S with the Droop screws in it. So we got it. So we'll see what happens. See what we get for a speed. What? All right. What? I'm just wondering, why is it? Why it's doing what it's doing? Why it's slow like that? What if it's an ESC needs to be linked, the Bluetooth on it or something? Or maybe a sensor? I wonder if I put the... I don't know. Something's going on with it. I don't know. If you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up this video. We're gonna figure it out. See what's going on with it. But let's see what the speed is. What we got? Stopping it. So we got 59 on 2S. So 59 miles an hour. All right, we'll have to figure out what's going on with it. Yeah, so I'll have to look at it, see what's going on with it. Might have to tune the ESC or something. Alright, yeah, I gotta see if I can find this, the sensor things on it. So if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, thumbs up. Alright, check you out later.